Mark Dixon here with Allstate Insurance. Hope you're having a good Thursday. Hopefully the holiday season's treating you great so far, and you've been able to find all those Christmas gifts that you've been looking for all your friends and family. Anyway, I'm coming to you today because I wanted to start a series where I discuss multiple times a week about the insurance policies that you already have and you're already paying for, just to give everybody a better understanding of how your insurance policies work. And this is meant to be generic enough to where it doesn't have to be an Allstate policy, doesn't have to be with my office. But my goal here is to give you enough information that if you ever have to use your policy and file a claim, that there won't be any surprises because you already know how the thing works. Because kind of the worst time to find out you're not covered for something is right after something's happened. So I wanted to start off this week with one of the most misunderstood things in the Hawaii insurance realm, and that's the no-fault part of your car insurance. So it seems to me that a lot of people are familiar with the fact that Hawaii is a no-fault state, but they don't really know what that means. So I've had people in my office tell me, well, no fault means, everybody pays their own. Well, if that were the case, then we really wouldn't have the need for car insurance if everybody had to fix the damages to their own car. The truth is that the no-fault part of your car insurance only pertains to one part of your car insurance. So the state of Hawaii makes everybody carry 3 different insurances, no matter what kind of car you have, to be considered legal. And that's your liability insurances, both bodily injury and property damage. And then the last one is your personal injury protection or your medical coverage. That's the part that's no fault. So the way the no fault insurance works is, no matter who's at fault in the accident, if you're sitting in a car that has an insurance policy and you go get yourself treatment after, whether you leave in an ambulance, go see your doctor on a follow-up appointment, or if you go visit the emergency room yourself, if your injuries are related to a car accident and the car you were in had insurance, then it's that car's medical coverage that's going to pay out first. So the state minimum is $10,000 per person, and that's what a lot of people carry. So the other thing I wanted to make sure that people understand is this is what's going to be used first. However, it's not the only insurance that can be used if you're injured in a car accident. So again, this is without regard to fault. So even if you're sitting perfectly legal at this stop sign back here, and a car's driving behind you and that driver's texting and driving and rear ends you, that accident's going to be the other driver's fault. However, if you go get yourself checked out or you go to the doctor, it's actually going to be your car's medical insurance that pays the first coverages. Now, once that's exhausted, we can go on to the other driver's bodily injury liability, and when all car insurances have been exhausted, then you could use your own medical insurance like HMSA or Kaiser. I'll cover liability more a little bit later, but that's basically Hawaii's no-fault law. Again, only pertains to medical insurance, doesn't pertain to the rest of your car insurance policy. I'll holler at you later with some more insurance information, but call me if you have any questions, 808-689-9770, or find me on the internet, Allstate Insurance, Ewa Beach, Mark Dixon. Have a great day, everyone.